Okay, in this question here, we have a graph showing a point on a Ferris wheel as it kind of goes around as a function of time. So height versus time on a Ferris wheel. So the maximum height of the Ferris wheel I can see right here is at 19 degrees. And the minimum height is 1. So it doesn't start at the ground, it starts 1 meters above the ground. So I want to come up with a cosine equation. So let's come up with our A, B, D, and C values. So I always like to start once I have my max and min with A and D. So A is maximum minus minimum divided by 2. So that's 18 over 2, which is 9. My D value is equal to maximum plus minimum divided by 2. So that's 20 over 2, which is 10. Okay, let's look at my B value. B is not the period, but it's related to the period. So let's look at how long it takes to go through for one cycle. So I get on at the bottom of the Ferris wheel, and here I go up to the very top, and I come back down to the bottom, and I end my ride. So that is one full cycle. So it looks here that the period from 0 to 32. So the period is 32 seconds. Okay. So for my B value, I know that for word problems, I'm always dealing in radians. So B value is 2 pi divided by whatever the period is. So take pi out and put pi back. 2 over 32 in lowest terms is 1 over 16. So put pi back is pi over 16. Now, all I have to do, I've got my A, B, and D, is figure out my C value. And this is a cosine graph. So cosine starts at a maximum. So your C value is equal to not what the maximum is, but when the maximum is. And I can see when the maximum is right here. And I can see that it's been moved over 16 units. So C is 16. Let's put that all together in my equation. So Y is equal to, and I'm looking for A positive, so I know I'm on the right track. Okay, so my A value 9, cosine of B, and we're going to keep that factored out, of X minus C. Now I'm minusing C because I'm going to the right, and then I'm adding 10 to go up. So this would be my equation of my cosine graph. Of course, I could put this into my calculator with that window setting to check to see if it was right.